This is my Unimogs. And I thought this might be interesting. Hooked up with a seller on eBay who's got all sorts of odd little vehicles, and without intending to, he gave me a poser here. I bought this ATV 6x6 in purple, and it turned out to be sealed. I thought it was loose. He specializes in loose cars, and I think maybe he was trying to hook me up because I bought quite a bit. But it's a 2010 sealed, pristine example. I'm not going to open that. So, glad to have it, but it plays right into this issue that I have about sealed stuff being packaging material that you end up caring for. Although I'm definitely an ATV 6x6 fanatic. I can't get enough of them. These two were gonna, this one sealed. I guess I'm gonna keep this one sealed and just order another one. He's got another one listed now as loose. I might even message first to say, hey bro, I actually need a loose one. And here's a couple of the blue ones that I've found on my journeys. It's got a price tag on it, which is both kind of cool, but I wish it was on the back. Stampage. I think they'll all pretty much read the same thing. And I'm trying to pair them up with space trucks to sort of make a little mission fleet. The card's actually in good shape other than that sticker, and there's a little bit of a bend and a weave to that, and this has a kind of well, that one's not bad actually. Alright, we'll put that one with the other three for an inadvertent growing collection of sealed ATV 6x6s and open these for my mission fleet. And it got me looking, it brought home some of these Raptors from Walmart the other day that were in the dump bin, and nice US cards. They're actually both in pretty good shape. There's a little nick up there. I was going to pick one to open it, and then got out the one that I'd already had. Oh no, I'm just going to pause this. Right, we're just down the block from a firehouse. Anyway, I was just about to open it and looked at the one that I'd gotten from an Amazon seller, nicely shipped with this piece of cardboard, and then realized they're different. These have the 50th, and that told me, hey, wait a minute. These are this is probably an international card, so this would be the one to open. I hesitate to. I like keeping stuff like this all sealed up, but I'm gonna lay even money. That's a US. That's an international card. I even picked up my white version, and again, there's a 50th tag there, so that's a US card. These are US cards. I'm going to wager this is international. Let me see here. I'll put this up. Yeah, so this is the sticker on the package, and it was $1 plus shipping. I think what I want to do. So, is it international? Is it US? It's international. Someone's learning something, and of course now we compare the card condition against the two US just to make sure. And yeah, they're acceptable. Seem they're kind of crooked. Huh. US carded. He's making double sure it really is the same truck. 2017, 2017. There's our case code on the international example. So what I'll do is put one of the US Raptors back into that. And I want another Raptor in my unsealed collection. Awesome. Gorgeous truck. I have never driven a pickup in my life. Never even been behind the wheel of one to move it. From one parking place to another even. Let's try that there. Sorry about the shake. And we'll insert this during editing so I compare the two US carded Raptor cases, and look at that, a boo-boo. The other one's looking better. That one goes back into the Raptor, wrapper, the Raptor, wrapper, the Raptor, wrapper, wrapper, the Raptor. Whoa! And this one can serve as a gift item or a gimme or a giveaway or something to be repainted. Let's roll test it against this nicely Gulf logo branded Matchbox F150. Not bad. Excellent, excellent, to use the Arnold voice. Gorgeous vehicle. And yeah, I'll concede it would be easier to move my paintings around in a vehicle like this than a Jeep. I'll think about it. Speaking about Gulf logo brandings, which is a collecting motif of mine, I had picked one of these up at a dollar store and one of them out of a drugstore. And again yesterday I realized the packaging be somewhat different. This one has a guaranteed for life. That one doesn't. Look at them closer. Look at that. The North American or US card has the guaranteed for life. This one is international. Guess which one we open? I've been a good boy this week. I deserve something nice. Yesterday was kind of a bummer. If you know me, you know what happened. I'll at some point talk about it. It was quite the experience. My growing fleet of Gulf branded vehicles. Gorgeous car. And of course this is a 68 Chevy Nova. Kind of get some stampage out of that. Made in Malaysia. There it is, Chevy Nova. Towards the bottom. And I guess we roll test it against the Volkswagen. Likewise, Gulf logo branded, just to make it even. Oh, look at that. Hey, that Volkswagen, I tell you, that was a surprising box set. No road, no problem. All those things got cooked. Aha. Let's try it against the Hot Wheels Raptor. Maybe just a clunker, huh? But it's gorgeous, and I'm delighted to have it. Growing fleet. Find more of these Gulf branded things. Not going to go out of my way. I'm not going to pay extra. Just 164 mainline things, you know, as opposed to this. $3 at Ollie's. Color changer Volkswagen. Box has been used as a sponge or something. Maybe to sand steel girders. And that's why it ended up at Ollie's. Because it's an overstock and discount warehouse. I'll have to work to pull that package material back together. But here's the Matchbox color changer Volkswagen. There's our stampage. Very important to note the stampage and give other collectors a chance to see. Amongst other things, there's that elephant logo, meaning that it's been approved by the Kingdom of Thailand. Wow, my first voiceover. I only realized after the filming that the model uses the old style Matchbox wheels for nostalgia purposes, hence its underperformance in the roll tests. The Gulf Beetle 4x4. Outstanding. What a performer. Let's try it against the Raptors Hot Wheels. They got that backwards. Raptor. It's not meant to be a track performer. It's meant to change colors. I guess you're supposed to put it in the freezer. Although I don't know why you would. So I don't get it. And the line isn't made for me. I'm just after the mainstream vehicles. Got some nice detailing on it, and I hope it would for the money. And we were a Volkswagen driving family, and I love orange cars. I have a thing about orange and lime green. Those are my colors. And white, I guess, too. I'm a happy little geek right now, and we'll keep compensating for the slings and arrows of life by opening this in a minute and doing a separate video for it. But for right now, I'm going to enjoy my Gulf branded sweetness. Nice. Raptor.